Michael, the bottom line here, this October 2nd trial date, it seems that there's just no way that that's going to go. There's a 60-day window for the state to decide whether or not to go for the death penalty. If, which we expect they will, they declare that they'll pursue the death penalty, it changes the game, does it not? Just inherently, because of the magnitude of a capital case opposed to a regular murder case, if you will.
Anytime the state takes someone's life consciously, it's a big deal, right? We're one of the few civilized countries that have the death penalty, and we've had it for a long time. Some states don't have it, obviously. Whenever a state decides to take someone's life, it takes the entire specter of the case and the duties and the responsibilities and the timelines. It takes it and blows it out of proportion. People hear about many, many years that go by after a person's found guilty and after the death penalty is given. So we're not going to see an October 2nd trial date if the state goes for the death penalty. And I don't see how they can avoid going for the death penalty. You have the death of 4 beautiful young college kids, innocent kids. If this person did in fact do it, I can't see, if this is not a death penalty case, what is? He's a PhD student. He knows better. He's not chewing his forearm in front of the cameras, right? So he's clearly a person who was in control of himself, and he killed, if in fact he did it, he would be found guilty of killing 4 young people at the beginning of their lives, right? They have to go for the death penalty. And so when they do that, they're not going to have an October 2nd trial date. It's just not possible.
Oh boy, I'm just getting more notes out of the courtroom. Shannon Gray is going at it here with this judge. The judge now set, instead of the 27th, the June 9th, because Shannon Gray wanted this clarification and adjustment to the order. And his response to the June 9th was to the judge, this is your gag order. If the court does not want to make modifications in my motions might end up getting moved. The Supreme Court gave guidance which gave great weight to my motion. It goes on and on, but obviously he is fighting this tooth and nail in front of the judge and in front of Brian Koberger.